Good afternoon and hello. This is Lucy welcoming you to our new YouTube channel, Loyatobs Creations. Now on this YouTube channel, you'll find an assortment of information on beading techniques, tips, and other sorts of information on beading and jewelry. You'll also find videos to do with various crafts that I do, where I also use beads and other types of embellishments. From time to time, you'll also come across videos about our online shop, that is loyatobscreations.com, especially when we're having giveaways or other events or promotions, our sales and other new items. We'll also do videos and put them on our YouTube channel. Now, our social media name, all the social media we have, that is Facebook, Instagram, they come under the same name of Loyatobs Creations, so they're easy to find. You can also access our other social media pages through our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you want to be on top of everything we do at Loyatobs Creations, go to our Facebook page and like our page. You can also follow us on our Facebook page. Also follow us on Instagram, Loyatobs, and we have an online presence there. We've got an online shop on Instagram as well. Or you could go straight to our website, which is loyatobscreations.com, and also purchase our items from there. Now, on our YouTube channel, as I said before, we're going to have a lot of information to do with our beading and our jewelry that we sell. When you watch our videos, I urge you, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. This, of course, helps a small business like ours to grow, and it also affords you the fact that you won't miss out on our videos. So you won't want to miss out on our anytime we do our promos and giveaways. So always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ask your friends and family also to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you can have first preview of our new videos and information. Now, our videos will come out once a week for now, and that will be 7 p.m. on Fridays. So every Friday you have a new video loading. So welcome once again to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, as I said before, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then I'll see you again on Friday. Thank you. Bye.